Shall we give them a weather report like everybody else does?
Sure.
Yeah, right. I'm not a weatherman. There you go. Here you go, folks. This is an unboxing.
Yeah, good rainy afternoon to you.
Got this in the mail yesterday. They put it in the wrong door, so it was sitting outside all day. Heavy.
They're magnetic.
Yes, oh,
Magnetic.
magnetic. And the sockets in here are also, the slots are magnetic. So, let's go.
Probably going to be the same thing.
Oh, I don't know how if I did that.
What? No magnet to go with this stuff?
Wrong place.
Oh.
Guess who's sponsoring this video today?
I don't know.
Pops.
Ah.
Nobody else. Pops.
Yeah, reminding you, if you like what you see, subscribe, hit the like button, share these videos, and leave a comment.
And this is a standard. This is standard. Yep, this is a standard. Same thing, 1/2 inch, 3/8, and 1/4 inch for all my sockets. I figure since I have this new, tell me I'm, oh my God. All right, folks, this is more or less just an idea to tell you how it works. These sockets are not going to be in here permanent. I have the other ones that I wanted to put it in here. I want to make sure I have everything all set up the way I want it. These are going to be coming out. They're going to be naturally other ones in here, better ones. But hey, this is basically the ones I use every day, so this is what I'm putting in. Well, these things cost me, how much did it cost me?
Total of $57.
$57 for 6 of them. Metric and standard. And they're color coded, I guess. You could have had it green too, I don't know. I'm not too crazy about colors anyway, so whatever blows your skirt up. This is what I got, so I'm only got to please myself, nobody else. All right, folks. Hope this was a little bit of helpful to you. I'm going to go back out there and enjoy this cloudy, gloomy day. And till the next video. How do I say this? Till we meet again.